So hi friends, welcome back again to the channel All of the Parfum for a brand new video. This time unboxing and first impressions ever of this fragrance right here. This is Mansera Sicily. Sorry about the reflection. You know, this box it comes with this golden color and golden texture, and it reflects the image. And yeah, it's gonna be the unboxing, so let's get into it first. The unboxing first. 1, 2, 3. Alright, then it will be the first impressions. I heard a lot about this fragrance, and I did actually watch a few reviews of it, especially Redolescent's review of this fragrance. And I hope that I will love it as much as Steven from the channel Redolescent loved it. So as you can see, it comes in this type of, I don't know how you call it, sleeve, or it's also in golden color. And this is the bottle, beautiful looking bottle. The juice is yellow, as you can see, and right here it says Sicily. Over here we have the batch code. I don't know if you can tell. We have some information. As I said, we have here some information. Over here it says Eau de Parfum, right here, and over here there is the batch code. Okay, let's open this fragrance. As you can see, it is a screw cap. It is not magnetic. The cap as well is in golden color. Okay, so let's spray it on and see what this is about. I already looked up the notes, so I have an idea about the notes. Okay, let's smell it. Wow, this is beautiful, super fresh. It reminds me of some kind. It reminds me of some kind of drink. Actually, it is funny. Yeah, it's like some type of cocktail or something. Yeah, I know that in the notes we have pineapple, we have fruits, apple, and I don't know, I feel like we have also coconuts in here, something like mojito, something we can find in the mojitos or margaritas. It is a completely different scent than Cedra Boisé that we have right here. It is totally different. I mean, when you hear the pineapple, don't expect this to smell like Cedra Boisé or to smell like Aventus Creed. It is really far from that. The initial blast, I can tell you that we have some really nice. In the initial blast, as I said, we do have the lemons, citruses, but it's not as sharp. I mean, the citruses, they are not like the type of citruses you can find in Dior Homme Cologne or Dior Homme Sport, or even in Cedra Boisé. It is very, very smooth. It is a blast of lemons, but it is super smooth. I think because of the peach note in this fragrance, and the peach is definitely showing up right now. Yeah, definitely. I don't really sense any pineapple, but it is definitely fruity, very fruity. Yeah, the apple, I would say a little bit. The apple seems to be a little bit. It has this synthetic vibe. Yeah, but now, 1 minute or 2 minutes later, I think it is developing into something else. It's more floral. The floral notes. Yes, the flowers are kind of showing up. The rose, like pink rose. And I don't know, is this Lily of the Valley? I don't remember the notes. I did look them up on Fragrantica, but I don't really remember the notes. I only remember the pineapple because it is like a main note in it, but I don't get any pineapple really so far. The apple is present, fruity notes, present, the peach very present, and the citrus is super smooth and also very present. I think the peach note in this fragrance, it's what makes it a little bit feminine. It does actually remind me of Dolce & Gabbana, the one EDT for the women, I mean PARFUM. It has that vibe, a similar vibe like that fragrance. I do actually own the fragrance, I have it. We'll see if I can do a comparison. But I mean, from the initial blast, from the initial spray till now, the fragrance kinda developed, kinda changed a little bit. It is more and much more fruitier, and it's getting to like a masculine side. The opening, I would say, it is very feminine, but now it is developing to a more masculine side. I expected this fragrance to be. I expected this fragrance to have like more maybe like marine notes, as it is a summer fragrance, and the name Sicily. When I hear the name Sicily, I mean Italy comes to mind. So I don't know why I was expecting something like that, but I don't really get any marine notes. Maybe a little bit aquatic, but it is definitely a fresh, fruity fragrance, and it's definitely suited for the summer. I don't see it for any other season. And it seems to be really projecting. I think the sillage with this one would be very good. I will definitely have to give it a few wearings to see how it develops, and I will try to come back later with a full review for this fragrance, Mansera Sicily, Eau de Parfum concentration, and this bottle is a 120 ml size.